What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of Shaofitness. And the last time I used MTS Wave. I made MTS Sludge. Today I'm going to be making a MTS Brownie. So this has been saving me this contest prep, giving me with a sweet tooth. So I'm in contest prep right now. I'm pretty close to my show, so I have to weigh out everything already. So I'm only using a scoop and a half. You could use two, but I'm just using like a scoop and a half, right? Just a little bit more. Alright, scoop and a half. Next recipe, you're gonna need baking powder. So you only need about 1 teaspoon. Even if you're using like 2 servings or more, 1 teaspoon is enough. Otherwise, it's gonna start going crazy and blowing up, and you don't want that. Alright, so we're done with that. So next, remember, it's just like making sludge. You wanna add water. You could use almond milk. I have almond milk in the shaker cup already, but what I like to do is I like to add it onto my brownie afterwards because it moistens the brownie even more. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water and I'm gonna mix it. So remember, just keep adding little by little. You don't want to add too much because it's gonna be too runny. You want like a cake batter mix. So this time I didn't add a cocoa. Usually I do, but my macros are somewhat low, and right now I prefer not to use cocoa, just for like, I don't want to use my carbs for that. So if you guys like to use cocoa, that's perfectly fine, or any sweetener. So you just keep mixing it, right? Look at the consistency. It's thick, right, guys? It's like a cake batter mix. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm getting better at this, guys. The first time it was kind of not too good, but I'm actually getting better and better. This is actually like my 3rd time eating this. So it's really simple. It's really fast. And if you can add many things as well. Alright, make sure everything's good here. Alright. Next, you're going to set it to the microwave. Nothing crazy. 30 seconds is good. You do a little bit more if you want it to be more dry. But our microwave is kind of crazy. It's kind of strong. So 29 seconds should be good. Alright, time's up. Check it out. Right? So it's not finished. It looks pretty boring. Nothing crazy. So what I like to do is poke some hole. Thank you, marker liner. See how it's like a little bit still moist, but still kind of dry a little bit on the outside. But look at the inside. It's not bad, right? So I want to poke some holes. So next, I'm gonna add some frozen berries. And I already calculated my macros for half a serving. So let's see. That's 62-ish carbs. 62 grams, I'm sorry. Oops. Put one back. It's alright. Give or take. Alright. So that's done. So wait, it's not over yet. So this is the most crucial part. So this is the X factor right here. So the next step, you want to add a little almond milk. You want to just pour it around to moisten it up. Usually I use half a cup, but what I like to do is like just let it sit a little bit, moisten it. So I have some left over, but it's fine. Next, so I'm already done adding the berries, but I just came back from fasted cardio, and this is gonna be my first meal. And I'm also going to the gym a lot earlier, so what I like to do is add a little rice cakes. So instead of adding cocoa for the carbs, I'm getting my carbs from 3 rice cakes. I actually fit in 3, and I'm gonna crunch it up and add it on. So there you guys have it. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Try it out if you like it. Remember, start today, not Monday, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.